Okay, boys and girls from the YouTube Nation. This is Old Pro again with another video. And today we've got the 7 Vantage DB7 Aston Martin. Only 32,000 original miles. Customer brought it in because of the check engine light. And after doing a little bit of, diagnostic and playing around with it a little bit, we found a couple of things. Customer was complaining that power steering is tight. So we went ahead and looked at the power steering first, and this is what we found. Empty. Where's that on the bottom? Power steering's got a leak somewhere, so that's going to be addressed. And apart from that, we're going to address. We got a code in it from the scanner saying that we got some kind of vacuum leak. So I went ahead and put my smoke machine, the good old snap-on smoke machine on it, and found out that she's definitely leaking under here. As you can see, the smoke is coming from under there, so it looked like the gasket to this EGR valve, or the EGR valve itself is leaking under there, so we're gonna have to address that. And I think that should take care of that check engine light and that lean code from vacuum leak. So guys, stay tuned because this is one of the new customers and we want to make sure he's right before we let him out of here. So I'll definitely catch you on a part 2 of this video and let you know how this works out here. It's definitely leaking a ton under here. So trying to see. Yeah, it's definitely leaking a ton. So most likely the diaphragm inside of here is bad. So we'll get to you guys on the part 2 of this one and let you know what's going on. But this car's got very low miles. Hardly ever been driven. 32,000 miles in immaculate condition. So guys, be careful out there. Be safe. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll catch you on the next video.